Hello friends, welcome to Homespun Recipes and I'm your host Karishma. The recipe that we are making today is rice chilla, and for this recipe you require these ingredients: rice flour, red chili powder, salt, oil or ghee and water. Now we'll prepare the batter, for which we take the rice flour, add in the salt and red chili into it and make a thin batter using water. Pour in water, mix it well and make a thin batter. It should be slightly runny, not very thick as we prepare for dosa. The rice chilla should be thin and crispy. Now here I have taken a pan and I'll add in some oil to it. My pan is on medium-high flame. Smear the oil onto the pan and then mix the batter well before you pour it into the pan. So I'll be using a ladle to make my chillas. Mix the batter and pour it into the pan. You just need to pour, and because the batter is runny and thin, it will spread on its own, and then you can fill up the gaps like I have done, like so. Cover the chilla so that it cooks from both the sides and allow it to cook for about a minute. And then you can see that the chilla is cooked from the top, other side also, and it's ready to be flipped. Just flip the chilla and cook it from the other side so that it gets brown from the other side as well. Now I'm smearing some oil on top of my chilla. You can smear ghee, butter or oil, whatever is your preference, or you can even choose not to add any oil or ghee at this point. Now just flip it once and twice and cook the chilla well till the time it becomes crispy. If you want it more crispy, you need to cook it for a little longer time, and if you don't want your chillas to be very crispy, you can take it out when it's cooked from both the sides. So now my chilla is done. It looks perfectly done. I am dishing it out and you can see the chilla has come out nice, thin and crisp. You can serve this chilla with chutneys like coconut chutney or mint chutney. Thanks for watching Homespun Recipes. If you have any recipe request, please post it in the comment section. Thanks and come back soon.